This is a Honda Element. This car is in the shop for a check engine light. Let's find out what's going on. The code we are getting is P2422, and this means that the purge control valve that is mounted on the Evap canister is not working and must be replaced. Let's go take a look. This is the location of the Evap canister, and this vent valve attaches into this cavity right here. Okay, and it's a little bit tricky to wiggle it in, but it goes right back in here. Okay, you got to orient it correctly. Obviously, there's two tabs on the top, two tabs on the bottom. They fit into these openings and two more openings up top. So you can see just how this fits in, right? The rounded corner matches up with this rounded corner. Then you have these two nipples. One points to the front, one points straight up. They match up with these hoses. There's one hose right there. That one goes into the upward pointing nipple, and the second hose is right here. It goes into the forward pointing nipple, and there's just one more electrical connector. This electrical connector plugs in to the back. And one more thing, that to get to this, we had to pry this cover out of these slots like this. There's two slots to the rear and two slots to the front. So just with a small screwdriver, this cover can be pried off, giving access to the valve. And let's put in the new valve now. Here is the new valve. It looks like a good match for the old valve. This is a intermotor part from Rock Auto. Here's the part number. Let's see if we can get it back in. So let's see if we can get this new valve in where it belongs. And there, it went in nicely and securely. Now we attach these nipples to the hoses. There's the top one. There we go. And let's get the front one. And where's the electrical connector? Where did it go? It's hiding up here someplace. Here it is. Here's our electrical connector. So that clicked on securely. And all we have left now is the protective cover. See if we can line it up so these tabs slip through, click into place. Same on the front side. And we have one more plastic rivet up there that we have to attach. So we'll do that off camera. Basically, we're done with this repair. Let's see if it worked. So to verify this repair, all we can do is erase the codes. And once we erase these codes, then we can go put this car through a few drive cycles, and we'll see if the repair was successful, if the code does not come back. If it does come back, then we would have to go look at some other things. Or we could also see if we have an active test available for this Evap test. Let's see if that does anything. Okay, let's see if we can access that valve. There is the CVS on and CVS off. So let's test that. So this seems to say that we're doing okay. Let's do the CVS off. Okay, so it seems to be coming on and off without any error. So this is a pretty good indication that the repair may have been successful. Alright, hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.